So breakfast foundations, okay? Something that's very, very important to have for breakfast is really just fruit. You don't really need, anything cooked. You can do something cooked, don't get me wrong, right? Especially in the beginning. But eventually, you want to really, really just aim to have fruit in the rising, okay? Now, what you can do, and the foundation that I've applied to help me feel more fulfilled when I'm, having breakfast is having 3 to 4 different types of fruit in any quantity for breakfast, okay? This is just also in case you want to do, just only fruit. It's the most hydrating and it's just the best kind of meal to have in the rising, okay? Reason being is because we just did 8 hours of sleeping when we sleep, okay? We burn calories, you feel me? You need to hydrate, okay? You didn't have any food, you need to hydrate, okay? That's why it's called breakfast. You're breaking your fast. You just did 8 hours of not eating. If you did 8 hours of not eating during the day, you would be like, damn, I'm hungry, damn, I'm thirsty. So 3 to 4 different fruits for breakfast is the best way to hydrate the body first thing in the rising and feel the most fulfilled, as well as get the most nutrients for